Hello everyone, my name is Changkuoth Nyak. Welcome to NoTube. I would like to congratulate Dr. Gatluak Ruon Jal for being entrusted on the position of being the Vice President of Gambia. Dear Gatluak Ruon Jal, congratulations on your appointment as the Vice President of Gambia. This esteemed role is a reflection of your remarkable dedication, leadership, and deep-rooted commitment to the betterment of the Gambia. Your existing experience and visionary approach are exactly what Gambia needs to navigate its challenge and seize new opportunities. I have confidence that with your stewardship, this Gambia region will experience transformative growth, enhanced unity, and enduring prosperity. As you step into this pivotal position, Dr. Gatluak Ruon Jal, may you be guided by wisdom, courage, and relentless drive for progress. May your leadership has the potential to inspire and uplift many, and I look forward to witnessing the positive impact of your efforts. Once again, Dr. Gatluak Ruon Jal, I heartfelt congratulations on this well-deserved appointment, wishing you every success in your new role, and may your tenure be filled with significant achievement and lasting contribution to the future of Gambia. Warm regard, Changkuoth Nyak.